Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to take a screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A16 or A26. If you are using Galaxy A16 or A26 and now you want to take a screenshot, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to scroll down your control center and here you will get take screenshot option. If you can't get it, just tap on the edit icon, then select edit. From here, just look for the take screenshot and then tap on it to add it to your control center, then tap on done, then tap on done again. So you will get your take screenshot option here. And so now whenever you want to take a screenshot, just scroll down your control center, then tap on that and your screenshot will be taken. You can easily edit it if you want. So that's how you can easily take your screenshot on Samsung Galaxy A16 or A26. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.